Are you a travel enthusiast who's always on the lookout for new and exciting destinations to explore? Do you love immersing yourself in different cultures, trying new foods, and meeting new people? If so, then subscribing to AJ Food and Travel is an absolute must. Not only will you get to see some of the most beautiful places on earth from the comfort of your own home, but you'll also get insider tips, recommendations, and insights from experienced travelers who have been there and done that. Whether you're dreaming of backpacking through Europe, exploring the beaches of Southeast Asia, or embarking on an African safari, there's AJ Food and Travel out there that caters to your interests. You'll get to see the world through someone else's eyes and learn about all the amazing adventures that await you. Subscribe to AJ Food and Travel today and start planning your next adventure. It's the perfect way to quench your wanderlust, get inspired, and discover the beauty world.